Hey folks, Apni Kaksha, which is India's most premium education platform for young hustlers by Aman Dattarwal, is looking for front-end developers and back-end developers to help them achieve their goal of providing quality education and free academics and non-academics education to everyone. They are looking for folks who have experience of working with app development, folks who are currently enrolled in their first year, second year, third year, fourth year, already graduated, are freelancing, or doing a full time job are eligible to apply for the same. Nothing about degree or course is mentioned, so everyone is eligible to apply. While applying, you have to specify your forte between front end and back end development. If possible, you have to move to Delhi to work in office, but due to COVID, they may help you find accommodation near workplace. In the application, you have to specify which tech stack you are experienced with and rate yourself with the same. You can apply now through the link given in the description.